Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning. On this occasion, we would like to present our research proposal entitled Student Experience in Writing English Text Talk Learning at SMP Negeri 1 Labuhan Haji Barat, a qualitative study.
This research is conducted by Rahmat Maulana and
Nurul Amalia
from STKIP Muhammadiyah Aceh Barat Daya. Alright, in this presentation, we will explain the background of the study, research problem, objective, and research methodology.
Okay, background of the study. English is an important subject taught at the junior high school level, including SMP Negeri 1 Labuhan Haji Barat. Among the four language skill, writing is considered the most complex skill because students must generate ideas, organize them logically, and use correct grammar and vocabulary.
Okay. With development of technology, learning activities have changed through the implementation of learning, including in writing class. As a result, students have different experience when writing English text through learning. Therefore, it is important to explore the student experience in this learning process.
Okay, next. Research problem. This study focus on student experience in writing English text through learning. The main research problem is how students at SMP Negeri 1 Labuhan Haji Barat experience the process of writing English text through learning. In addition, this study also investigates the challenge faced by students and the benefit they gain from learning writing through learning. Okay, next.
About objective of the study. The objective of the study to obtain an in-depth understanding of student experience in writing English text through learning. Especially, this study aims to number one, describe student perception and feeling toward writing through learning. And number two, identify the difficulties faced by students in online writing learning. And three, explain the benefit of learning when writing class based of student experience.
Okay, next. Significance of the study. Theoretically, this study is expected to contribute to English language education by enriching the literature on writing instruction and learning at the junior high school level. Particularly, the findings of this study are expected to help English teachers improving writing instruction through learning and serve as a reference for future researches.
Okay, and then research design, right? This study employs qualitative descriptive research design because it focuses on understanding student experience, perception, and feelings. This approach allows the research to describe the phenomena naturally without manipulating variables, so student real experience in writing through learning can be explored in depth. Okay. Research setting.
The research is conducted at SMP Negeri 1 Labuhan Haji Barat, where learning has been implemented in the teaching and learning process, including in English writing class. Okay, the setting provides relevant context to explore student experience in writing English text through learning. Okay, next.
Research participant. The participants of this study are students of SMP Negeri 1 Labuan Haji Barat who are involved in writing English text learning. They are selected using purposing sampling, focusing on students who have direct experience with online writing activities. The number of participants is determined based on data saturation. Right?
Okay, right. Data collection techniques. Data are collected using interview, observation, and documentation. Interviews are conducted to explore student experience and perception. Observation are used to understand the learning process, and documentation support the data through student assessment and learning material. Data triangulation is applied to ensure credibility. Okay, next. All right.
Okay. Next, and then data analysis procedure. The data analysis process involves there are three main steps. Number one, data reduction by selecting relevant data. Okay. Number two, data display by organizing data into times. And three, conclusion drawing by interpreting the finding. Okay, this step help the research understand student experience comprehensive value.
Okay. Trustworthiness of the data. To ensure the trustworthiness of the data, the study applies triangulation of data source and techniques. In addition, careful documentation and member checking are used to ensure that the finding accurately reception a student experience. Okay, next.
Okay. Ethical consideration. Ethical consideration are highly emphasized in this study. Permission of obtained from the school before conducting the research. Participation of is voluntary. Student identity are kept confidential, and all data are used slowly for academic purpose. Okay, next.
In a conclusion, this study is expected to provide is clear description of student experience in writing English text through learning and to offer valuable insight for improving English writing instruction at SMP Negeri 1 Labuhan Haji Barat. Okay, thank you very much for your attention.
We are ready to reserve any question or suggestion, right?
Okay.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.